Hi, this is Pragati. In this video, we will talk about the factors affecting exchange rate. But before we dive deeper into the discussion, I would like you to like, share and please press the bell icon below. Now, given the hype discussions around internationalization of Indian rupee, it is imperative to understand how exchange rate is affected by domestic macroeconomic factors. Now, a lot of us are aware at all times, though not exactly, but roughly, of the value of INR against USD, which is currently hovering somewhere around 83, and this value is what we call the exchange rate. So, this value is affected by a number of macroeconomic factors, and by each factor in a different fashion and to a different extent. To name a few, national income, which is nothing but a measure for GDP, current account balance, crude oil price, interest rate, inflation rate, capital flows, etc. Now, all of these affect exchange rate randomly and are themselves considered to be volatile and uncertain, keeping in view the state of the economy prevailing in the country. Say for capital flows, if there has been massive FPI inflows, it can lead to overheating of the economy because of increased purchasing power of the currency and thus a higher aggregate demand. Now, this might cause the central bank to intervene, arrest excessive appreciation of the domestic currency. Now, this intervention is carried out by purchasing US dollar and thus increasing the demand of dollar and releasing INR in the market so as to make it less attractive. Now, all of this stabilizes the appreciating value of INR. Now, coming to inflation, we obviously understand how a rise in inflation weighs upon the purchasing power of the currency. Say a bar of chocolate which was worth ₹100 10 years back is now roughly valued at double the price. So when a country experiences higher inflation compared to its peers, its domestic goods and services become relatively more expensive, leading to a decrease in its purchasing power. As a result, the exchange rate may depreciate to reflect the loss in purchasing power. However, a depreciation in currency is not always bad for the economy. It increases the export competitiveness of the country. So say if rupee depreciates from ₹70 to ₹80, foreign economies can now import more quantity without increasing their import bill. Thus, to conclude, there could be a number of factors which affect the exchange rate, and all these factors are interconnected, which affect the exchange rate directly or indirectly and also to a varying extent. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.